Hello, this is Matthew Gear with my demo for P03. We're going to come up here to a new book. We're going to add a couple books. And we see it's been added. Add another book. And we see it's been added, so we have 5 books with 5 individual pictures. We're going to come over here to our compass interface and see that we have our 3 books we initially had. We're going to update this and see that it loads up the 2 that we added for a total of 5. Go back to the web page, go up here, and we're going to go to the storefront, and we see all 5 of our books. Come back to the administration page. We're going to update a book. So we're just going to delete the second author. We're going to take out the, and we're going to make it $25. And we're going to use the same color as cover as Treasure Island. So we updated that, and we can see that now it's just Holly Black, Iron Trial, $25, and the wrong cover. We're going to open up the file system and see that the image file that was there for Iron Trial is no longer there, and we have 2 copies of the Treasure Island image. Come over here to Compass, give it an update. We can see that the changes have been made. And come back to the website, go to the storefront, and we can see that the changes have been made. But since we messed it up, we're going to delete it. Open up the file system again and see that the extra copy of Treasure Island is gone. Open up Compass, update it, see that we now only have 4 entries instead of 5, and the messed up one is gone. And we'll go to the storefront and see that we have 4. And go ahead and add some of these books to cart. We want a couple copies of Treasure Island, and some of that one, and that one, and one of that one. And then we will check out. This has been my demo for P03. Thank you very much, and have a good night.